going to act like Mahatma Gandhi ji. I am a Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I born on October 2, 1869 at Polpandar in Gujarat. I returned to India from South Africa in 1915. I sought to see the poor condition in which the common people in India. Satyagraha was based on the concept of ahimsa or non-violence.
Hi.
Thank you.
I am going to do role play of Rani Lakshmi Bai. I was the Queen of Jhansi. I took a part in revolt of 1857. My real name is Manikandika. At an earlier age, I married to Gangadhar Rao, who was the king of Jhansi. After he became serious child, we adopted a son, Damandra. No, as we had no son of us own. Lord Daulas, the Governor General, who followed the doctrine of lapse, he refused Damodara as the successor to the throne. However, I am not going to give up throne of Jhansi to British. Student, you must be brave like me to face the problem. Never ever give up.
I am act like a Swami Vivekananda. I am Swami Vivekananda. I work in Ramakrishna mission to spread for reformers. I spread education to all over the India.